HISD is committed to providing a high-quality education for every child, regardless of where they live in the district or what school they choose to attend. To attend school in HISD, students can enroll in their neighborhood school or choose from one of the many specialized educational options. Let's start with neighborhood schools. First, you will need to go to www.houstonisd.org. Then click on the Students and Parents tab located on the menu bar, and then select Find a School. The easiest way to find a school you're zoned to is through this Find a School tool. All you have to do is type in your address, hit search, and there you'll see your neighborhood elementary, middle, and high schools. If you choose to attend your neighborhood school, every campus handles its own enrollment. In HISD, families have the option to enroll their child in one of many specialized schools and programs, which include magnet schools, charter schools, and non-traditional schools, just to name a few. To learn more about your neighborhood school or a specialized school and program, visit houstonisd.org/school choice or call the Office of School Choice at 713-556-6947.